Galaxy 33 HML for sale on eBay. Got a couple of scuffs on the faceplate, but that's probably easy to change. You can stick a new one on there. Everything's in good shape considering the age of it. Some scuffs on top, like somebody had something on top, but on the bottom she looks all right. Side, she looks all right. This mic is not included. It's a Cobra mic, but it's got real good receive. Anybody else really been in here tonight? You heard anybody? Yeah, I thought I heard Red Eye in here earlier, but I was working on this radio, getting the covers off to get ready to align it. Roger. See, go down to 1 here real quick. We're on medium power. Audio. High power swing about 7 watts, dead key. Audio. About 30 swing. Medium is about 3 watts, dead key. Audio. Low power is about 1 watt, dead key. Audio, 1, 2, audio. Not as much modulation there how I've got it set, but this one will be up for eBay here in a little bit. I don't really like the way the talkback sounds in this. It's kind of distorted, but it's real loud. If you shut the echo off, the talkback shuts off. Probably sounds a lot better. Well, it's hard to say. At least it sounds kind of that way on my side. That's just the way the talkback is in these. It can be disabled though. Put a switch or something on it. Well, and that's a little look at that. And this will be up on the eBay store here in a little bit, but it's been fully gone through, fully aligned. And there we go.